Hi guys, to my video. I'm just gonna unbox this box of candy. It's ripped just because I wanted to get the thing open so that I could, not have to struggle with it. So here.
Should I get a trash can?
Yeah, go get a trash can real quick. Once you get a trash can, I'm just gonna, explain how this works. You go to bocandy.com and not sponsored, and you just kind of fill out the information and all that, and you put in your credit card information and whatever, and then they send you a box of candy every month. This is my second one. I never got around to putting up the first video, just because I think I lost the footage. But the first time I got this like wafery like candy and this really gross Mexican candy. It was not good. And then we got, what was it? It was like almost like a moon cake.
It was a circle and like wafer in it.
Yeah, it was okay. The rest of it was really good actually, but oh my god, the Mexican candy, no good. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna open it. Alright, so this is what I have inside. I got a lot more than I did last time. And have these things called keks.
Yeah.
I got 5 of them.
Probably just language.
Yeah, probably.
No, 5.
I got 5 of them.
Oh boy.
So we're both gonna try one. We're just gonna kind of put these to the side. Okay. Excuse me.
You are unexcused.
Okay, so.
Ooh. It looks like a wafer.
I'll try it.
I know. It still looks like a wafer.
And on the front of the box, it looks like on the front of the package, it kind of makes it look like, kind of like a wafer type thing, like a Kit Kat almost.
Yeah, the back you can see, it looks like a graph.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that.
It just looks like a Kit Kat, a really really big Kit Kat. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's basically a Kit Kat. Right? Basically a Kit Kat. More good. So I have like a shit ton of these little toffee things. They better be good because I'm not throwing them away.
Can I read it?
It says Toffee Kubanka.
Toffee Kubanka.
And on the bottom it says Pokaj. Something like that.
That's the brand.
This is what it looks like. It just goes with these little things. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. It's got a slight coffee taste to it. But, it's not bad. Okay, so, while she's chewing that, I think this is like Swedish or German. Yeah, it's a wafer with strawberry filling. This is what the package looks like. Again, not sponsored.
A lot of countries like wafers. It's weird.
Yeah. Let me know in the comments if this is like a thing. Like in other countries, like everything's like wafers. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna open it and we're just gonna both like kind of take a bite of it. Oh, this is weird. It's just chocolate around the edges. There's like.
Oh, it looks cool.
Yeah, like see, there's just it's wafer and then chocolate, and I guess on the inside there's strawberry.
It's just a bunch of the different flavor wafers.
Right, we're gonna chew it over this because it's gonna like get everywhere.
Alright.
So I'm gonna go first, and then you'll go. Yeah, I'll pass it to you. This is actually really good. This is like those strawberry wafers that you get at the store. Okay. I don't want to throw that away. Okay. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm going to hold it up and we're going to rate it. So, this, oh, it's something else. This Kex, I give it an 8 or a 9. It's pretty good. This stuff, I'm going to give it a 5 just because it has that weird coffee aftertaste. I didn't like that too much.
I just hate coffee in general, so I'm going to do longer.
And then this one is
100.
I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. Followed by Level Club. Okay. So, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Go check out Bocandy. They send some really interesting candies. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not so good. It's just an adventure every time.
Adventure, I mean different kinds of wafers.
Different kinds of wafers, exactly.
And strange Mexican food.
Yeah. They send you like a bunch of wafer stuff and then like one different thing. Anyway. What else?
Comment your favorite type of dog.
Yeah, comment your favorite type of dog down
I like
in the
sheep.
comments.
Shibas. Sheep.
I said sheep.
No, sheep. Shibas.
Mine's what's that horse dog called? The really big one. It's like a horse. Remember the one we wanted to ride around the neighborhood?
Technical difficulties.
I can't remember what it's called right now, but there's a dog that's like freaking this tall.
Great Dane.
And yeah, Great Dane is freaking huge, and me and Ruby wanted to ride it around the neighborhood. Oh my god. We'll have that dream come true one day.
One day.
So comment your favorite dog down in the comments. Like and subscribe, please. And have a good day. Love you guys. Bye.